You are watching BNS News.
Welcome to today's crypto news. Let's see today's headline first. Chinese authorities uncover alleged $2 billion USDT money laundering operation. Binance issue key announcement for BNB Bitcoin chain users. Vanguard's new CEO affirms no plans to launch Bitcoin ETF despite industry interest. Cross the Ages secures $3.5 million in funding round led by Animoca Brands. Industry leaders invest $4.6 million in crypto coins Natix. Colony Lab introduces pioneering fundraising platform with liquid vesting. Milliman Management discloses $2 billion in Bitcoin ETFs holding. IOTA smashes major milestone launches IOTA 2.0 public testnet. Egyptian fintech startup secures $3.5 million in seed funding round. Paninkia reports new milestones in Pengu pre-sales teases pay-to-earn game trailer next month. Analyst Michael Van Poppy sells Bitcoins and eyes altcoin opportunities. Futures exchange giant CME plans to kick off Bitcoin trading. Chinese law enforcement agencies have announced a breakthrough in their fight against illegal financial activities. They have dismantled a large underground banking gang allegedly involved in facilitating illegal transactions using Tether's USDT stablecoin. The operation spans multiple provinces and is believed to have enabled over $2 billion worth of illicit USDT transactions. In a significant development, Binance has issued a key announcement that might concern BNB Beacon chain users, as indicated by the project team in January 2024. BNB Beacon chain will be phased out in June 2024. The sunset plan is not an abrupt discontinuation, but be careful orchestrate transactions a process. Salim Ramji, the newly appointed CEO of Vanguard, has confirmed that company will not reserve its decisions to refrain from launching a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund. In a recent interview with Barron's, Ramji, who previously headed BlackRock's global ETF business, said Vanguard is committed to consistency, adding that cryptocurrency related investment products do not align with the firm's investment philosophy. Across the ages, the multimedia gaming ecosystem shares the details of its recent successful funding round. A total of $3.5 million was secured by the clutch of a reputable VC firms backed by the iconic play-to-earn innovators Animoca Brands known as the brainchild, the Sandbox. Natix, a promising blockchain startup, has successfully raised $4.6 million in a funding round backed by industry leaders. The funding will accelerate the development of their innovative platform. For the first time in Web3's entire history, a new release allows investors to trade their logged or vested tokens on Colony's DEX without conventional restrictions. This instrument is expected to be a game changer in terms of lowering the barriers to entry for early stage crypto fundraising. International hedge funds Millennium Management has revealed it holds nearly $2 billion in spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds as of the first quarter of 2024. Millennium held a total of $1.94 billion across 5 spot Bitcoin ETFs as of March 31, according to its 13F filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The IOTA Foundation has achieved a significant milestone in its journey towards a fully decentralized network with the launch of the IOTA 2.0 public testnet. This pivotal development marks a new chapters in IOTA's history and an excitement milestone in the evolution of digital ledgers technology. That's all for today's crypto news. Stay tuned for more updates.